Welcome back to our Journey Their Story, where we debunk unethical journalism. We previously discussed the importance of credible witnesses, especially when the media publish stories with serious allegations that can destroy people's lives. This time, we want to discover why and how the media relied on a one-sided version as well as on discredited news informants to put their whole story about the KwaZulu-Bantu mission together. We are talking to Gerda Potgieter about her book, A Journey to the Truth, The Case of the KwaZulu-Bantu Mission. This book is all about exposing unethical journalism. Who are the people behind the stories? Who enable the media to launch a comprehensive and ongoing onslaught against the KwaZulu-Bantu Mission?
Yes, Janet, you know that evidence showed that there were two convicted criminals. They were the primary sources of information. The media did not even bother to verify these informants' facts or their credibility. Let me first share with you information regarding one of the paid informants. I want to make it clear she was not paid by the media. She was paid by one of the conspirators, a family member who paid her in a plot to take over the KwaZulu-Bantu mission and its management. Plot was part of a hostile takeover. That is what's important to understand.